guys, thanks for stopping by. Today is another Dollar Tree haul. So one of the first items I picked up was this really cute Easter bunny basket. I think it's just so cute, and this is actually going to be for a DIY that's going up tomorrow, so be sure to come back for that. Also, this really cute Easter bunny, and it's chocolate scented. It smells so good and he's so cute. I did find the fabric treat sacks. You get 4 in a pack, and you get so you get 4 of these sacks, and then you also get the twine to tie it. I think these are so cute. And I picked up 3 packs of the fairy garden figurines. This one is the little fairies, and I'm gonna link you guys the fairy garden lantern that I made last year. Definitely check that out. And then this pack here has these little decorations for your garden, and also right here. So this is going to be for a giveaway, guys. So if you're a subscriber, definitely stay tuned to the end to see how you can win. Then I found this cute guy here. Is this really cute owl, and he's a solar light. I think he's so cute. So it does have an on and off switch, and this would be so cute in anyone's garden. And this is what it looks like lit up. Then I found these flowers, guys. They are so pretty. Like, I've never seen any flowers at Dollar Tree this nice. And actually, I didn't even find them myself. The lady in front of me, when I was already checking out, had them, and I had to ask her. I was like, where did you find those? So she pointed me in the right direction, and they were kind of like hidden on a shelf, like tucked towards the back of the shelf. So I'm so happy that lady was in front of me checking out with these, because these are so pretty. Like, I've never seen such pretty flowers at Dollar Tree. And you know, like, something like this at Michael's definitely would not be $1. And then I picked up 2 of these bouquets here. They're just some really pretty spring flowers, and they have these really pretty foam Easter eggs. Then I just picked up a pack of these socks. I thought they were really cute. You get 2 to the pack. And I found these really pretty sunglasses. I love my Dollar Tree sunglasses because I'm always losing them. So for $1, I'm all about that life. And these are so cute. And then I picked up this book, and it's really just for decor. I just love when I find like really nice covers, the books at Dollar Tree, and I like to use them for decor pieces. And the last items were these Easter signs that are so cute. It has like that galvanized metal piece on the top and the bottom on a, you know, like a faux wood looking sign. So I got these 2 here, and they're so cute. So for the giveaway, guys, you obviously have to be a subscriber. So if you're not a subscriber, just hit that subscribe button, and you'll have to leave me a comment that says I love fairies, and also like and share this video, and then you will be entered to win those 3 packs of fairy figurines. So definitely go ahead and do that if you want to win, and I will choose a winner next week. In the next Dollar Tree haul, I will announce who the winner is. So these are just some more items I saw throughout the store. Thanks for watching, guys. Please leave me that thumbs up and leave me a comment, and I'll see you guys really soon, actually tomorrow, in the next Dollar Tree DIY.